You're ready for your swimsuit? I know I got a few months to work on, but we're going to help you out a little bit. Speed up that process, so to speak. Yesterday, we showed you those infrared body wraps, and today we're talking Vanquish, and we have the only med spa in town who's doing that. I'm talking about Ovation Med Spa. Good morning to you. Chris Bailey joining us now to tell us what it's all about. And Stephanie Rena is our brave patient this morning to show us how it all works. This is what, from what you're telling me, what you consider to be the only procedure that actually lasts forever.
Well, it's one of two procedures that last forever.
Okay.
Cool sculpting is the other procedure that would produce a permanent result that we have in our office as well. This is, what's unique about this, it's using a near field radio frequency. If we notice, it's not even actually touching her body. And so the radio frequency puts out a field that heats up the underlying fat layer.
Yeah, it's just a couple inches away from her, so nowhere near her.
Right.
I can't believe it. She's not feeling anything. Can you even feel that it's nearby other than just sensing it?
No, just a little bit warm.
So you just feel a little bit of heat. And how does it work? That seems too good to be true.
I know, it's amazing technology in that because it's heating up the underlying fat layer to about 46 degrees Celsius, which is, I don't know, 115, 120 Fahrenheit, it's heating those fat cells up hot enough to actually destroy them. Whereas the overlying skin is only getting to about 39 or 40 degrees Celsius, so it's hot or warm but not uncomfortable.
Fascinating. What happens to those fat cells? Do you just naturally excrete them out?
Then your body just naturally gets rid of them, yes.
And how many sessions do you need in order to be able to get the results you're looking for?
So typically we'll start people off with a series of 4 sessions. We'll do them once a week. Some people will do a few more depending on, it really depends where you're starting and where you're trying to end up.
Okay, so have you done this before?
Yes, I did 4 treatments.
And what is the difference that you have seen in those 4 treatments? How long, first of all, did those take you? How long did you expand those?
Once a week.
Once a week.
Once a week,
for a month.
45 minutes for once a week, and I lost a couple inches on my thighs.
And were you happy with the results?
Oh, yes.
A lot of women will say cellulite is the problem on their thighs, and you look so toned that might not have been a problem, but did you see any difference with any smoothness of your skin?
It does smooth a little bit of it. I mean, there's other treatments at Ovation Med Spa that will help with that, but it does give you a little bit of a tonus, but more so lose inches.
And you also do 3D body imaging, so it gives you an idea of exactly what's going on. Can you explain that
We
real
do.
quick?
So for years we've pulled out the tape measure and tried to quantify results, and that's always difficult because if it's just difficult to measure the same place twice, especially when you talk about months apart. When we brought in the 3D body scanning, now we computer scan everyone in 3D so that we can get computer accurate measurements both before and after. We've got a scan up on the screen, I don't know if we saw it, that we took on Lori's thighs before and after, and we can see in 3D imaging the difference between her before and after measurements.
So it gives the patient a true idea of what's happening and what results they're seeing, so you can decide if you want to come back because it's right there.
Oh, yes.
So it makes a big
Oh,
difference
yeah,
for
you
the
can see
patient
the before
as well.
and after completely.